Hey everyone, I'm Vanessa. Multi-cookers are awesome to cook up things like cheesecakes and ramen bowls and roast beef. But here's what's not to cook in your multi-cooker. Let's talk cookies. Now, multi-cookers need steam to cook. And when I cook the cookie in there, have a look at what it looks like. That's a no-go. Cookies need dry heat from the oven to look super cute, just like this one. Let's talk frying. The multi-cooker is not a good idea to fry in. It doesn't hold the heat of the oil like you need it to fry something like a potato. We'll get back to this. In the meantime, here's what you can do. Saute things like leeks or onions or garlic. You get sound, you get color. It's perfect. Now have a look at this potato. Drops right to the bottom, and it didn't even have a sizzle for me. So no frying in the multi-cooker. Those are just a few things you should not cook in your multi-cooker. Thanks for joining me and have a great weekend, everyone.